You're watching Zero the Painter. Please click like and subscribe.
Greetings, painters. Today we're going to be painting the human eye. We're using the back of paper plates. Because paper plates are paintable and the right shape. This is a good practice exercise for any skill level. Paper plates are also less expensive than a canvas. So if you don't like your results, you can start over on another plate. This is good practice for shading and reflections. In this exercise, Zero does everything freehand, but you can use a compass or a circle guide. In this example, we are using black, burnt umber, burnt sienna, raw sienna, and white. You can use any colors you like for your eye. First thing we do is flip the plate over. Next, we cover the plate in our base color. We paint to the edge or the lower part of the plate. This gives us a curved edge. We will do 2 layers of this base color to cover the plate. Now we can start to add some details. Let's start with the highlights in the iris. These lines will go from the center out. Now remember, every eye is different, so you do this the way you want to. Next, let's start the pupil. This may take 2 layers depending on your base color. We build the reflection. We do this in 3 parts to create a realistic look. Since an eye is round, we add a light reflection on the opposite side. Lighter and smaller this time. Now we go around the edge with a darker color for shading. Next, we go around and add shadows to our highlights. And that's it, you now have an eye. What color did you paint your eye? Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, you know what to do.